Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter, and as you can see, if you will turn it on for the very first time, and then you will have to pick between the Digital Wellbeing or Parental Controls. So let's enter Digital Wellbeing, simply tap on it, and as you can see, actually immediately we've got the graph at the very top of this whole list, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for almost 3 hours. What's more, we can check how much time we've spent on particular apps, which is quite useful. And in order to check the details, we've got, let's say, 2 different ways. So we can tap directly on the graph, and we will show the graphs connected to the whole device, whole screen, or we can tap on particular apps, and then we will check the data just directly for them. So let me begin with tapping on the graph directly, and as you can see here, we've got the weekly graphs which will show us for how long we've been using this device on particular days in a week. Of course, we can check most used apps, so in my case settings, and here we've got also the graphs for the notifications received and unlocks. So let's go back, and as I said, the second way to check more details is to simply tap on particular apps, and as you can see, the graphs will be displayed only for this one app. We can check the daily or the weekly usage. After getting back, you can see that here we've got some goals or ways to disconnect, which are quite cool option, because if you need the time for yourself or you need to study, you'd like to work, and so on, then you can set the work time, the me time, the bedtime mode, and thanks to this, after setting the schedule, your device will simply block some notifications from the apps which are most distracting for you, so you will have the opportunity to work or to study. Here we've got also the comfort care, the volume monitor, driving monitor, or you can of course enter the parental controls just by tapping on this option. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.